Can I buy a new house before my divorce is final? This is Teresa Bastian, and as one of only 2 realtors in Austin that have earned the Certified Divorce Real Estate Expert designation, I work with many divorcing clients, and I'm often asked this question: can I buy a house before my divorce is final? The answer is yes, under certain circumstances. Buying a house during a divorce is possible, but there are at least 3 things that must be researched and resolved first. Number 1, lender requirements for a new mortgage. Spousal support, child support, and division of assets will most likely need to be determined and made into a court order before a lender will be able to assess your income and debts and underwrite the new loan. There are also underwriting rules that affect what income a lender can consider, such as how long child support is supposed to continue. It's a good idea to work with a certified divorce lending professional during these transactions, since the nuances can be pretty complex. Second thing to consider, title requirements. Until the divorce is final, title will likely require an interspousal transfer deed signed by the non-purchasing spouse, so there is a clear relinquishment of ownership rights. Texas is a community property state, so any assets acquired during a marriage, even during the divorce part of a marriage, can be considered marital assets. If your divorce is not yet final, you'll want your soon-to-be ex to sign this document so he or she doesn't have the right to claim a stake in the property in the future. If your divorce is acrimonious and you can't rely on this being signed at your request, it may well be worth it to delay your home purchase until the divorce is final. The third thing to consider are court requirements. Divorce is a legal process under the jurisdiction of the court. A house is an asset. A mortgage is a debt. Do you have permission to acquire an asset and a debt while your case is ongoing? Are you planning to use marital funds or funds that might be disputed as marital funds for your down payment, closing costs, or as proof for qualifying for your new mortgage? You'll want to be sure to check with your attorney to ensure you won't get caught in any legal entanglements if you proceed with a home purchase before your divorce is final. If you are considering divorce or you're going through divorce and you'd like to discuss your options, contact me for a confidential consultation. I'm skilled at helping divorcing people strategize ways to deal with the real estate aspects of this family law matter. Let's put a plan together that can work for you. My cell is 512-297-3442. Again, this is Teresa Bastian with Let's Move Austin.